There are two main types of hosting on Airbnb. One is a vacation rental, which means you don't live on that property. This video is specifically for people who home host, which means you live on the property and rent out a part of your home. I average $80 a night with 70% occupancy. This is approximately $20,000 a year for each room I rent out. I have maintained my superhost status the entire time I have hosted, which is almost 8 years. First, answer these two questions to see if home hosting is right for you. Do you want strangers in your home? If the answer is no, then home hosting is not for you. Do you mind cleaning and doing laundry for strangers? If you don't want to clean, you can still host, but you will have to pay someone else to clean and do laundry, which cuts into your profit. Are you in a location people are willing to drive to? People will drive 5 to 10 minutes off a main road for good accommodations. Unique places attract guests, even if farther out. Cleanliness is essential for 5-star reviews. Your place must be spotless. Everything must sparkle every time. Always change bedding. Clean kitchens thoroughly. Inspect everything for wear or damage. Give detailed directions, like exit numbers on highways and how many lights or blocks to your place. Tired guests driving at night will appreciate your info. Provide instructions and warnings for everything, like appliances, heaters, and hot tubs, even remotes for televisions, fans, or fireplaces. Don't assume guests know. Leave a guide with info in the room. Always provide Wi-Fi info in your listing and in the room too. I highly recommend getting smart locks for your property. We use Schläge. They save time and reduce anxiety for both you and your guests. Guests will lose a key or forget a code or forget to lock the door sometimes. SmartThings or similar apps are downloaded to your phone. They allow you to monitor the status of your door locks wherever you are. You can even set auto-change parameters, such as deleting a code 1 hour after checkout time, ensuring security. Make sure your guests are well informed about where they can go and what amenities they can and can't use. Post clear signs like "Park here," "Beware of dog," "Do not enter," or "Don't let the cat into your space" to avoid any confusion. Lighting at night is crucial. Walkways should be smooth and illuminated. Parking can be a problem without clear instructions. Frustrated guests may leave fewer stars. Less is more except for towels, pillows, and toilet paper. No one wants to run out of toilet paper or have a rough night from a bad pillow. Ensure every reservation has exactly what you promised. Consistency is king. If you list food, toiletries, AC, or Wi-Fi amongst your amenities, make sure they have it every time. Info for dining, attractions, stores, and local services like Uber, Grubhub, babysitters, pet boarding should be in your other info section. Never cancel a reservation. You lose superhost status for 1 year automatically. It is imperative to block dates that you can't host. If you are going on vacation, you suffered a flood or had a fire, or you are having a new roof installed or painting the house, block those dates. Anytime you think your guests might be inconvenienced, block it. Airbnb's smart pricing tool sets your price based on similar listings. Turn it off if it's too low or high. It's important to find a balance that gets you booked when you need it. If prices are too high, you won't get reservations. If too low, you attract guests used to lower quality. Mistakes can happen, and remember, it's rare to get bad guests, so don't beat yourself up. Sometimes things might not be what you expected. Don't be afraid to call Airbnb for help. Pleasing everyone is not as hard as you think. Follow hosting guidelines and just keep going. So don't sweat the small stuff and don't take criticism to heart. Be brave and try it. You can make new friends and generate income without leaving home. Thanks for watching.